Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Side Hustle Keisha. On this channel, I show you videos. I post videos and I give you tips and ways to make money from home, amazing job opportunities, and cool side hustles you can do from the comfort of your home. Okay, so make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, you're notified. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook because I do have I post that is same information I post on my YouTube. I post on those pages as well. So just wanted to let you guys know I have a cool webinar that I'm a part of every Wednesday. If you have a home-based business or a small business, I want you to go over to the description box in this video. Below this video, there's a description box. I want you to click on the free webinar that happens every Wednesday to help you get more leads and more customers walking into your business. Okay, let's jump into this opportunity. If you are looking for work from home opportunity, this is a great opportunity with an amazing company. So I definitely want to keep you in the know about all the cool opportunities that I come across. So this one is for a virtual travel career program. It's a travel and lifestyle services. Okay, it's with American Express. We all know who American Express is, and let me just tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so the job description reads as this: at American Express, we know that with the right backing, people and businesses have the power to progress in incredible ways. Okay, so when you join the team, hashtag Team Amex, you become part of a diverse community of over 60,000 colleagues, all with the common goal to deliver an exceptional customer experience every day. Okay, as a brand built on ongoing and going above and beyond to provide the best customer experience, having the most exceptional colleagues is paramount. Okay, so get a first class start to your travel career. Okay, listen, so if you have a flair for exceptional customer service and an aptitude for learning and naturally curiosity, this role is for you. With an intensive paid training and coaching program, here's your chance to become a highly skilled travel consultant. Are you up for the challenge to join a key player in the travel industry? From learner to leader, see the bigger picture. Once you've completed the training, you'll be ready. Basically, you'll be ready to take whatever travel request comes your way. Here's just some of what you would be doing each day. You will delight our premium card members with unforgettable experiences. As a consultant, you will refine your knowledge of customer needs by asking personalized, fact-finding questions to deliver an innovative and extraordinary service through multi-channel servicing designed to meet the customer unique requirements. So listen, this sounds like a high-end travel consultant. Okay, so you will receive in-depth training to enable you to be a travel expert. You will know where to look to find the information you need to assist the travelers with their changing travel plans, such as trip cancellations, rebooking, and exchanges, troubleshooting any customer issues relating to the use of the travel website, and expertly guiding customers will navigate around the site. Okay, so you will research, plan, and execute customized travel experiences throughout the booking domestic and international flights, car and hotel travel arrangements. You will use your in-depth knowledge to help card members access their exclusive benefits, including how to make the most of their membership rewards points. You can take your understanding of new and existing product offerings, value propositions, and relevance to the card member to curate your recommendation. At times, you will need to be like de-escalate card member stress when foreseen travel situations arise. So you're going to be helping them, calm down. You're going to fix it. You gotta have that kind of attitude, right? You always put the card members' experience at the forefront of everything you do, reinforcing the membership first mindset and winning their loyalty. So minimum qualifications, what you need to thrive: proven ability to provide premium customer service, ideally in a call center environment; experience servicing customers, ideally in hospitality, concierge, lifestyle servicing, high-end customer service, or sales roles; Travel reservation experience is a plus. A passion for building customer loyalty by carefully listening, building rapport, and providing extraordinary customer care. Using strong written and verbal communication skills, natural consultative skills with the ability to offer confident recommendations, sufficient geography knowledge, the resilience and the composure to remain positive under pressure and constantly evolving circumstances. A problem solver, you'll be able to effectively explore card members' issues and offer the best creative solutions with a view to resolving on the first contact. A mathematical mind with an eye for detail and accuracy. Computer skills are vital as you will be using multiple tools and systems daily. Excellent time management, multitasking skills, high level of integrity to work with customer information and treat it sensitively, ability to collaborate in a person with colleagues of all levels, ability to thrive in a matrix-driven, team-based environment with healthy drive to meet and exceed goals, flexibility to work shifts, including night shifts and weekends. So listen, I done broke it all down to you, okay? So here is the job description. Here the job pays over $20 an hour. You can click this button to apply. It is a full-time job, okay? Full-time job. It sounds like if you are in the business of travel, this is a great opportunity. It's a virtual travel career program, travel and lifestyle services. So you guys click on this link. Make sure you drop below in the description box because below I will have the direct link to this opportunity. But also I want to share with you guys, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification button because I'm going to be pumping out some cool opportunities here and I don't want you to miss it. But most importantly, if you are looking to start a home-based business, I want to share with you the free home-based business that I do and it makes me money every day. So drop below in the description box and click on that link and it'll take you right to that video that will show you how I do that. You have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.